October 9, 2023. I'm in my bedroom. It's not midnight yet. I haven't looked at the time. I'm watching a creepy movie. Bet you they're going in the mirror. Look at that. Holy crap almighty. Wow. Now, I was in here the other night and I was cleaning and spraying my Funk Away. And for some reason, they love the Funk Away spray. But the last 2 times I sprayed, I have it on video. Nothing. Not a single orb. Not one. That one was big that was peeking around the corner. But now, the room is flooded. They're all blue. All big blues. What is the difference between the other day? What is that? That's my finger. That's my hand light. And now. Look at that. Where are they coming from? The wall? That's the wall. Out of that wall. Look how they're coming out of the wall. Look at that. See, and they're pretty big. Well, my bedroom is packed right now. Look at that. And I got a brand new tripod and selfie stick. Do you think I'm using it? No. Aren't they pretty? Like I said, I tried this the other day. I filmed in here the past couple of days. Not a one. I don't know how I go from one to a blizzard. But when I meditate on seeing them like this, the next day it usually happens. So thank you, orbs, for hearing me. This makes my ears ring really loud. Really loud. Oh. That's the TV, but the ringing's coming from over here. It could be the TV. Did you ever? Yes, I'm starting to decorate my little Nate follow. Thank you. See that? They always light attracts light. Did I confuse you guys? I'm sorry. There we go. Thank you. There we go. And that's how it looks in my bedroom right now, October 9, 2023. It should be going in and out of the mirror too. Peace, love, and light, folks. Thanks for watching. Be love, be light, be kind. It matters. Look at that. Go in the mirror. Come out of the mirror. Go in the mirror, come out of the mirror. Oh, they don't want to. Peace.